Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about reduce loop in JavaScript. First we'll discuss about that what is reduce loop. A reduce loop is a way to add up all the numbers in a list to get one final number. For example, imagine you have a bag of apples that contains several apples. Each apple represents a number. For example, your bag has one apple, two apples, three apples, and four apples. Your goal is to find out how many apples you have in total. So you will use reduce loop here. First, we have created an array. Its value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we have created another variable known as sum, and its value is numbers. Here our numbers is our this array. Then we have used here dot reduce method because then our loop will work because of this method dot reduce method. Then we have passed our two parameters accumulator and current value. Then we have used our arrow functions and then accumulator plus current value and 0. Here accumulator and current values are our parameters. We can change these names to, but I have keep these. So first we will discuss that what is the function of accumulator and current value. This 0 is our initial value. So first our initial value will be stored in accumulator. So its meaning is our accumulator is 0 and in current value our array value would be first value. So it is 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So our 1 value came 1. And then now loop will work again. So accumulator will store 1 and in current value 2 would be stored. So it will become 3. Then 3 will come in the accumulator and current value would be to 3. So it got 6. And then here in accumulator 6 would be stored and in current value 4 would be stored. So how much? 10. And then in our accumulator 10 will store and in current value 5 will store. So how much? 15. So its meaning is all this is a these all values are plused. Like this our accumulator and current value meaning dot reduce method will work. So I will run it. So 15 will come as you can see here. So we can use reduce loop like this. Our other example is here that const number is equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are our values of array. Then we have made our other variable known as product and its value is number dot reduced accumulator and current value and our initial value is 1. But we have given condition that accumulator and current value should be multiplied. So this will get multiplied. So 120 came because first accumulator value would be 1 and current value would be 1. So 1 ones are 1. So then accumulator value would be 1 and current value would be 2. So 1 2s are 2. So then accumulator value would be 2 and current value would be 3. So 2 3s are 6. Well, I guess like previous condition was like this, it will get multiplied and then this answer will come. So now we will come to our last example that const words hello world from reduce. This is our values, 4 values of array. Const sentence is equal to words is our array here and then dot reduce method we have used accumulator and current value, then arrow function and accumulator plus space. This is an empty string and here we have given a space, so space will become and then current value. So here words will not get plus, meaning words will just get attached. Like here I will show you, it will become a sentence. It will not print an array. As you can see, hello world from reduce. If this space I will not write, so there would be no space between these words. As you can see, hello world from reduce, there is no space. So thank you guys. In this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.